What up, dudes? This is going to be a bit of a different video. I just wanted to share why I climb trees, because I do it quite often, and there is a reason behind all of it. So this footage is from April 20th, 420. I got stoned with my roommate and a friend, and yeah, I wanted to climb this tree that I've been going to. The bark's quite sharp, so it like scratches me up quite a lot, but I don't mind it. I think all trees deserve to be climbed. Obviously, I asked for permission, and then I go on up. So why do I do it? To me, when I'm doing something that is dangerous, because climbing trees is dangerous. Climbing anything that tall is dangerous. This tree's about 100 feet tall. It gives me a sense of focus that I don't get from anything else. Because all I can think about is the tree. I can't think about anything else. Because the tree has my life in its hands, I have to form this bond and this connection and trust. We have to build trust together. So if I get a feeling that the tree doesn't want me there, I don't climb it. But this tree I've been to many times, we're chilling. The branches are very safe. You'll see from the footage that I keep my feet as close to the connection of the branch and the trunk as possible. That's the safest way to climb a tree, and obviously check that each branch isn't just going to snap immediately. But yeah, this isn't a video about how to climb trees. It's just me showing you, I guess, what I get up to when I'm not making videos. Oh wait, I am making a video. This is a video. Oh, whoa. Whoa. This is a video of what I get up to when I'm not making videos. That's the... Whoa.
Can you both still see me? Oh, really? Go through the front of it and then you could be able to see me. If you go to the path, you can see me back towards me. I'm like right on the top of it. It looks pretty funny. I think I filmed the whole thing. Whee! Whee! Ow. Yeah, go to the front of it, Dice. You'll be able to see me. Whee! Rain's coming in. Let's do this.
I left a boulder, which is where you climb rocks, but there's something about trees, because trees just, they're alive. You're climbing a living thing that just moves at a much slower pace than we do. They live multiple lifetimes, and they just experience the world changing around them without being able to really affect it. But without them, none of this would exist. That's why I think they're so fascinating, and I wish people gave them more love and more attention, because there's so much we can learn from them. I've learned a lot from trees. I mean, I got over my fear of heights by climbing trees. There's just something really beautiful about it, and yeah, you can see in this video that it's a breeze. This is not a difficult climb whatsoever. Because it's not being climbed very often, I have to break off the small twigs that are in between, just to make the path clearer if I want to go back. This tree is local to me, so I'm going to go there often.
The treatment show.
But yeah, lately in my life, there's just not been any like physical challenges, like things that are really challenging, really tough. So I'm constantly looking for things to do to really challenge myself. This week I actually swam like the longest distance I've swam in ages in the ocean. I just swam away from the beach to this yellow buoy that was quite far out. So if I had got into any trouble, I would have drowned. But I needed that. I need to feel that adrenaline, that fear of death. I need that to come in so that I can feel alive. Because without it, I'm a couch potato, and I don't want to be that.
Do you just roll it? You should roll it.
Oh.
3.
What?
Twice in a day. Let's go. Let's go. I did that twice. I did it earlier too. We threw it in the living room and I said 4 and it was 4.
Yeah.
Let's go. I'm on a roll today. I'm not really good at Twitter. Alright. He doesn't a bit.
See, I don't really film my climbs very often, but I hope that this footage is enjoyable. I mean, I'd like to climb something a lot more challenging than this and just show you my process. I can also film from my mouth perspective. I realize that filming from the chest, I just get a lot of knees, knees in the lens, which isn't making great viewing, but you can see the footwork that I put in. I'm using my toes a lot. Yeah, you can see them just arching around everything. There's a lot of skill involved in climbing trees barefoot.
The more I climb this, the easier it'll get, because I'm knocking all dead.
But it's a lot of fun, and I highly recommend it.
What other games can you play with a dice? You got any cards? Can we gamble pine cones? What, tree gambling? Yeah, I'll play. You have a life savings? I was gonna say, you haven't lived a whole life yet.
So this is just a quick little video. I'm happy that you guys are here watching and listening to me. If you made it to the end, then leave a like on the video. Leave a comment maybe. Tell me how your day's going. How your week's going. Like, I want to know what you guys are up to, and I'll be down there responding. I've got more videos coming. This was filmed a month ago, so I'm trying to catch up on my footage. I'll have 3 or 4 more vlogs coming up. Tomorrow I'm filming a new main channel video where I guess I can leak it here. We're gonna hike dragging a tumbleweed. So yeah, it sounds a bit stupid, but that's what's happening tomorrow. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in tomorrow, next day. I'm not sure. Whenever the next video comes out. Peace.